Hey guys, hope you are doing good. Welcome to my channel Volume Trader Pro. Myself Raj, I am full-time trader from past 3 years. Few points to note before starting this video. In this channel, I am not going to share any strategy. I am neither here to sell any course nor going to show any profit and loss statements. Now you will be having a doubt. What is the use of watching my channel? Let me tell you guys. I'll show you my performance for at least 100 trading sessions from now. After that, we will have a poll whether to share my strategy or not. One thing guys, I want to let you people know that my setup or strategy is based on trend, momentum and breakouts. Understand guys, I can upload a strategy once a week and can show you some backtest results and make you believe that this strategy gonna work in the market. But when you use on your own, you will definitely make losses or wipe out your capital. Coming to this video, these are the 3 stocks which were traded. These stocks are already shared before the trading session starts on my Insta page. I will leave a link to my Instagram page in the description below. Let's start with Havells. As you can see, after this breakout given on the 10:30 candle, I entered. When I was entering, initially my stop loss was at this level. When the breakout was given by this candle, I shifted my stop loss to this level. And in the next 3 candles, I booked my profit. Initially, my risk reward was approx 1:1. Later, my risk reward after shifting my stop loss was 1:2.5 approx. This was my trade in the Havells. So coming to the PVR. The PVR I entered on this breakout candle, that is on 10:45. After entering on the next candle itself, it hit my stop loss and I made a loss of around 11 points, which is again a risk reward of 1:1. So next comes the Wipro. In the Wipro, I entered when this range got broken by this candle, which is at 9:50 am. Initially, my stop loss was here, which is around 4 points. At that time, my risk reward was 1:1.5 approx. When this candle was formed, this is the momentum candle. When this candle was formed, I shifted my stop loss to here. After shifting my stop loss, then my risk reward was around 1:3 and I booked my profit at 10:35 am. So these are the 3 stocks traded, and out of these 3, 2 are in profit, 1 is in loss. I have shared 7 stocks in total. Out of these 7 stocks, 3 I have traded. The remaining 4 I avoided. The reason I'll tell you now. So let's coming to the L&T. In the L&T, as you can see, the whole day it was in a sideways trend, which is not performing as per my setup, so I didn't trade it on this stock. Coming to the Balkrishna Industries, the same way it repeated the same. The whole day it was in a sideways. Coming to the Biocon. In the Biocon also, as you can see, the large wicks. So here I was not confident about the trend, where it was going, so I simply avoided the stock. And coming to the JSW Steel, my view on this was bearish, but because it broken the high of this candle, I was not confident enough to take this trade, so I avoided this trade. So these are the stocks I have traded and these are the stocks I avoided. So on and all, I am in profit at the end of the day. So we'll meet again tomorrow at the same time. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and keep supporting.